This is your daily glimpse of science. Wow, honey, this is super spicy.
Sorry, I must have put in too many chili peppers. I did not expect chili peppers could be this hot.
I just read an article that mentioned there was a new portable device called Chilica-pod, shaped like a chili which can determine the heat level of chili peppers. So you would know if adding the pepper to the meal might burn your mouth or not.
Really? That sounds very interesting. How does that work?
The device measures capsaicin, which is the fiery chemical component that helps give the chili pepper their kick. The device's sensor is made of graphene sheets. The capsaicin from the chili pepper will trigger the electrons to move among the graphene atoms when a drop of chili pepper and ethanol solution is added to the sensor. The more capsaicin the pepper has, the stronger the electrical current through the graphene sheet, indicating the spicier the pepper tastes.
So how do we see the electrical current readings?
Once the Chilica-pod is plugged into a smartphone, the electrical activity recorded will be sent to an app for analyzation.
It's very convenient. So what is the range of spice levels that the device can measure?
When converting to Scoville heat units, which is an imperfect measurement determined by human taste testers, the Chilica-pod can detect a range from mild peppers like serranos or cayenne to the blazing hot Carolina Reaper, one of the world's hottest peppers. The device is so sensitive that it can detect even extremely low levels of capsaicin, as low as the amount in a pepper with no heat.
That's amazing! Imagine what application it could be used in.
The researchers were hoping that the device could someday be used in testing fresh peppers or peppers cooked in meals. The gadget could also help people with capsaicin allergies and farmers with harvesting the right peppers with the right spiciness. Currently, more precise methods for measuring spiciness are expensive and time-consuming, so the Chilica-pod could provide an alternative with much faster responses. However, capsaicin is just one of at least 24 related compounds that bring the heat to peppers, so further study will need to be done. In the meantime, I'm gonna grab some bread and some milk for us.
Sorry, honey. Next time, I go lighter on the chili peppers.
The articles and news sources are in the description below. If you would like to see more of these videos, hit the like and subscribe buttons.
Thank you very much, and we hope you find your daily glimpse of science as interesting as we did.